When servicing late model Porsche vehicles, you'll run into SFD security. This is a factory protected gateway that blocks coding, adaptations, and even basic service functions until the vehicle is properly authenticated. With iSCAN NX, early generation SFD unlock is built in directly to the workflow, allowing you to access those functions without using OE software or sending the vehicle to the dealer. This is done using security tokens purchased through a third party. See the video description for a link to our article on SFD tokens and how to use them. If you're working on an older model, like a 992.1, vehicle function access is not blocked by SFD. 992.2, now that's where you'll need SFD unlock, just like on this Taycan. Even though it's an EV, you'll need to unlock SFD before performing common procedures like parking brake surface mode. Here's where it gets important. There are multiple generations of SFD. Each subsequent generation increases the security level and unlock access becomes more challenging. For example, some models will only unlock using Porsche factory software like this Taycan. And we can still help with those advanced models, but this time through a remote SOD service. Porsche is now storing service data in the cloud. If you perform a service reset using a third-party token or a method that does not properly log that event to the cloud, the vehicle may accept the reset at first, but that information may not be saved where the vehicle expects it. Once the vehicle reconnects or syncs with the cloud, the system may not see a valid service record and the service light can come back on. So you may have completed the service and reset the light, but if it was not recorded properly, the customer can return with the same warning. In some cases, third-party tokens won't successfully unlock the SFD gateway. In those cases, OE software is the only option. Understanding SFD unlock and how service data is stored is critical when working on modern Porsche vehicles, and using the correct tools and workflow helps ensure the job is done right the first time. Check out our other videos for more helpful tips for Porsche vehicles.